The Food Center's pilot plant, located on the University of Saskatchewan campus, is a 10,000 square foot food manufacturing facility. The pilot plant is HACCP recognized by CFIA and is a federally inspected facility with various certifications and licenses to allow our clients to access global markets. The pilot plant is equipped with hundreds of pieces of equipment to manufacture a wide variety of food products from bacon, sausages, salsa, jams, to snacks. The facility has 2 processing rooms. Process Room 1 is dedicated to meat product or meat type production. Products produced include bacon, sausages, jerky, and hot dogs in the traditional meat form as well as vegetarian form. There are many pieces of equipment to grind, mix, and form product into sausage or jerky. The Food Center has equipment for brine injection and food marination to distribute the brine before the bacon is hung on racks for going into the smokehouse. Typical capacity for wieners or sausages production would be 800 to 1,000 kilograms a day, bacon 1,500 kilograms in a day. Process Room 2 is flexible and can be used to manufacture meat and non-meat products. The Food Center has numerous equipment available for different processes. A process line can be assembled to manufacture products such as jams, salsa, kimchi, wheat snacks, juice, granola bars, and even pork ribs in this room. Some special processing equipment include a granola-type bar-making machine, continuous deep fryer, and automatic filling line that could fill 1,500 to 3,000 jars a day. Currently, this room is equipped with grinders, kettles up to 500 liters for cooking, piston filler and bottling line with labeler for today's salsa production. The cookroom includes 2 smokehouses that burn wood chips to create that smoky flavor in many of the processed meat items. To cook and smoke these pork bellies, it would take approximately 4.5 hours. The Food Center has 2 packaging rooms to accommodate different types of products. This packaging room is equipped with 3 roll stock machine for packaging primarily processed meats such as bacon, wieners, burgers, and sausages. In this process, smoked pork bellies are sliced, weighed, and placed into pouches formed in the roll stock machine. It has the ability for gas flushing or vacuum packaging to enhance shelf life if needed. Dry packaging room. The Food Center's dry packaging room is equipped with various pouch and film packaging equipment. The WePack equipment has 14 scales and can package into various sizes of pouches as the film is being formed. Products packaged include dried fruit, seasoned grain, and pulse snacks. Some special dry packaging equipment available are Flow Wrapper for protein granola type bar packaging, Auger Filler, and Durapack for stand-up pouches. Clients can rent by the day to process and package food products for resale. Food Center technicians are experienced and are there to help you with your processing to ensure your products meet food safety and quality. Tap into the Food Center's processing expertise in meat and vegan meats, condiments, beverages, snacks, and more. Clients have the option of bringing their own staff to manufacture the products, or the Food Center can custom process. Let us take care of the processing while you focus on your business.